Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Farmville 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Farmville 2 game on your device and proceed forward with the basic tutorial levels and you will gain access into the home page. Now from this page, if you tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, there are various different options, but there is no particular setting to turn off notifications. So you will need to do this from the app settings menu. So open up your phone settings and then search for apps. From the apps menu, just look for the Farmville 2 game by using the search box or scrolling through. Once you find the game, tap on it and you will see the notification option underneath privacy. Tap on this option and if the allow notification toggle is set to on, then this will send various different notifications to your phone from the game. Make sure to turn this toggle off and this will turn off all notifications from the Farmville 2 game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Farmville 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.